Good morning, students. So last class we discussed on that is types of phase diagram. We discussed what is unary phase diagram and what is binary phase diagram and what is the expression for unary phase, the Gibbs expression of for unary phase diagram and Gibbs expression for binary phase diagram. And we also discussed the phase transformation at different alloys, okay, and in binary phase diagram and unary phase diagram, okay. The next one after this we will move to discuss on that is lever rule. So what is the exactly we will move to lever rule. Okay, here in this diagram, okay, I draw the okay the binary phase diagram. Please observe it properly. So here I used, okay, again I'm writing metal A and metal B. So the metal A having melting point at 600 degrees Celsius and metal B having that is melting temperature at 1200 degree Celsius. Here at this line I started A from 100 degrees 100% and here the B is at 100%. So because of that I mark the melting temperature of A on this line and melting temperature B on this line. Okay, but what is the lever rule? With the help of that lever rule, so here I draw that for alloy line. I draw the alloy line at 20% of B and 80% of A. The 20% of B and 80% of A. Suppose I'm preparing the new metal. I'm taking 80% of A and 20% of B. I mixed in the liquid state. Okay, the liquid state. Okay, or the melt after melting I prepare the homogeneous liquid. So particularly at this point, first point, it is homogeneous liquid. Okay, homogeneous liquid. So at this point, when it reached this point, so here two different metal A and metal B. At this point means what? So it already crossed the 1200. So when it is reached during cooling, during cooling, what happened? The 1200 comes first. So the atom B solidifies first. The atoms B solidifies first. Then when it reaches 600, then atom A solidifies. Till means at still this point it is more than the 600. So still it is that atom A remains liquid only. So at this point, means what? This is the liquidous line, means above this line. So above this line at this here, above this line here, what happens? Still liquid state is there. So once it reach okay at point 3, so it having the both liquid and solid. Which is solid here? The metal B is solid state. The atoms of B is solid. Why? The atom B solidifies at exactly at 1200 degrees Celsius. So below 1200 degrees Celsius, atom B starts solidifying. So then here at point 4, that means the solidification end, means up to point 4 the both liquid plus solid stage is present, but after fourth point there is no any liquid, the completely solid state. But so what is the lever rule? But what is the lever rule means what? At point 3, so the both liquid plus solid is there, but at point 3 what is the amount of liquid, what is the amount of solid? We don't know. What is the amount of liquid and what is the amount of solid? We don't know. Means how much percent of liquid and how much percent of solid is present at point 3. So here from this, but where it is? Means usually at 700 degrees Celsius, with an alloy 80% of A and 20% of B, what is the percentage of liquid and what is the percentage of solid? So by that time we will draw one horizontal line. So we will draw one horizontal line at 700 degrees Celsius. Horizontal line 700 degree Celsius. So we will get 3 points. This is the first intersecting point, I will written as A, and this is second intersecting point, I am written it is B, and third intersecting point I am written as C. I am writing as C. Okay. Now, so how to calculate exactly at this point? So exactly at this point, so I am taking the mixture of 80% of A and 20% of B. So means I am goes on heating that metal. When it reaches 700 degrees Celsius, what is the amount of liquid and what is the amount of solid? That is one case. Or in during solidification, when the temperature reaches 700 degrees Celsius, what is the amount of liquid and what is the amount of solid? That is some second case. So how to calculate? Okay, see this point A where it present on the liquidous line. This point A where it is on the liquidus line. The point C where it is in the solidus line. It is in the solidus line. So this is what? This is point A and this is point B. This is point B and this is point C. This is point C. So here what? Near to A. Near to A means what? A to B. So A to B, this is what? Maximum amount of liquid is present. The maximum amount of liquid is present. And B to C means what? This area is near to what? Solid region. So near here B, in this region B to C, maximum amount of solid is present. The maximum amount of solid is present. The maximum amount of solid is present. Okay, here A to B, this is present, the line A to B is near to liquidus line. So this here the maximum amount of liquid is present, and B to C is, it means it near to solidus line, the maximum amount of solid is present. The maximum amount of solid is present. Okay, here the maximum amount of solid is there, but how to calculate? So how to calculate? So we can, for this we applying the lever rule. For this we applying the lever rule. Here I'm using only these 3 points A, B and C. A, B and C. So for that, so first draw on dotted line. Okay, for dotted line. Okay, here till at 0 degree Celsius. Till at 0 degree Celsius.